Okay, here we go. 4 box, half case, 2015 autographed mini helmet from Leaf. Good luck. Oh, nice one. Hall of Fame, Bruce Matthews, Oilers helmet. Going to Mike and Rita with the Titans. Inscribed Hall of Fame 2007. Get your COA in there. Nice. Box 2. No way. No way. Really? You know what that is? JSA cert on this one. It's not tagged with the name. I believe that is Odell Beckham Jr. for 91 Red Wings 19. Surprised it doesn't say anything in there. JSA right on there. Nice one. You got it, my man. You got it. Two pretty nice ones so far. Hall of Famer and Odell Beckham Jr. Rookie of the Year. Best catch ever. Debatable in my opinion. All right, next one. He's got some hair. Chris Gedney catch was better. I like Len Swan's. It meant more. No way. You gotta be kidding me right now. For Mike and Rita, throwback. I don't know who that is. Hall of Fame 2007. Alvin Bethea? Yeah. Looks good. Alvin Bethea. Hall of Famer. Inducted in 2007. Mike and Rita hits 2 times. Last one. Good luck. Uh-oh. This one's going out to the Bears. Kevin White. West Virginia helmet. Vikings next year, too. Very nice. It's got a JSA cert in there. A sticker right there. Nice one, man. There you go. Nice mini helmet break. Either the rest are duds or this is a loaded case. Jeez. Thank you, everybody who joined. I appreciate it. We'll see you next time.